U.S. Supreme Court decision on deportation of Venezuelans. The U.S. Supreme Court recently temporarily banned Donald Trump's administration from deporting illegal immigrants from Venezuela. The decision was based on the Alien Enemies Act, which Trump has claimed he can use to expel immigrants deemed to be threats to the country. The court ruled that deportation should not take place until a new court order is issued, especially in response to a lawsuit filed by a civil rights group in Texas. 138. Impact on Trump's policy. This decision represents a significant defeat for Trump, who had already faced resistance to his immigration policy. Deportations were part of his strategies to strengthen national security and eliminate gangs operating within the country. By blocking this action, the Supreme Court reaffirms its crucial role in overseeing federal government policies and highlights the limits of executive power. Trump and his supporters have often opposed such judicial intervention, seeing it as an obstacle to their strategies. In response, the Trump administration asked the court for clarity on the requirements for deporting at least some of the immigrants under other immigration laws that are not the subject of controversy. The Supreme Court order issued on Saturday, 19, made no distinction between deportations under the Alien Enemies Act and other laws that require due process, that is, hearings, before removing people from the country. This was the first official statement from the Trump administration after the Supreme Court announced that the administration must stop deportations based on the law of war until a second ruling from the court on the matter. Legal setback for Trump. Judges from the highest court in the U.S. judiciary granted a request from the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, to suspend the deportation of a group of Venezuelans who received notification that they could be deported based on the Alien Enemies Act. Lawyers for the immigrants said the deportations appeared imminent and suggested the Trump administration was abusing the law, which has only been used 3 times in history during wars. Lower courts had previously denied the activist request, but the Supreme Court halted the deportations.